will you do one thing یو کار به وکړي کو will you do one thing they missed the train د هغوی نه ریل ګاډی لاړ they missed the train why is the road closed سړک ولی بند دی why is the road closed what an exciting game څومره ښکلې لوبه ده what an exciting game why didn't you go earlier ته وختي ولې لا نړې why didn't you go earlier why do you trouble yourself ته ولې ځان له تکلیف ورکوې why do you trouble yourself why has he got fever all the time هر وخت د هغه تبه ولې why has he got fever all the time don't get me wrong ما غلط مه ګڼه don't get me wrong when will you pay a visit to us ته به زمون خواله چکر کله را لګئ when will you pay a visit to us did you read it at all آیا تا پوره پڑھاو کو did you read it at all when shall we meet again مونږ به بیا کله میلاویږو when shall we meet again یا تاسو داسې ویلی شئ مونږ به بیا کله ملاقات کوو don't ask me for money پیسې رانه مه غواړه don't ask me for money who is the gentleman دا شریف سړی څوک دی who is the gentleman don't say such a thing داسې خبرې مه کوه don't say such a thing where will you meet ته به راسره کوم ځای میلاویږي where will you meet he can't run very fast هغه تیزه منډه نشي وهلی he can't run very fast which is the best hotel here دلته د ټولو نه ښه هوټل کوم یو دی which is the best hotel here will you come this evening نن ماښام به راشي کو will you come this evening he will soon come back هغه به زر واپس راشي he will soon come back is there any accommodation in the hotel آیا هوټل کې څه ځای شته is there any accommodation in the hotel I asked him to do that ما هغه ته د دغې کولو ویلي وو I asked him to do that what is the name of this place د دې ځای څه نوم دی what is the name of this place I don't want your pity زما ستا رحم نه دی پکار I don't want your pity take this form and fill it دا فارم واخله او ډک یې کا take this form and fill it I still don't know ما ته اوس هم پته نشته I still don't know what's the rent for this room د دې کمرې کرایه څومره ده what's the rent for this room I want to do it myself زه دا په خپله کول غواړم I want to do it myself. I wasn't fired. زه د نوکرۍ نه وښکلی شوی نه یم. I wasn't fired. Will you give me some water? آیا ته به ماله لږې اوبه راکې؟ Will you give me some water? This may be true. دا خبره رښتیا کیدی شي. This may be true. When do you go to the office? ته دفتر ته کله ځې؟ When do you go to the office? Why are you so happy? ته دومره خوشحاله ولې یې؟ Why are you so happy? I'm thinking about you. زه ستا باره کې سوچ کوم. I'm thinking about you. Don't do so in the future. په مستقبل کې داسې مه کوه. Don't do so in the future. Is anyone absent today? آیا نن څوک غیر حاضر دی؟ Is anyone absent today? Don't do such mischief again. بیا داسې شرارت مه کوه. Don't do such mischief again. It is difficult for me. دا ما د پاره مشکل دی. It is difficult for me. I have been out since morning. زه د سحر راسې بهر یم. I have been out since morning. Mind your own business. د خپل کار سره کار ساته. Mind your own business. It is severely cold today. نن ډېره یخني ده. It is severely cold today. My father is very nice. زما پلار ډېر ښه دی. My father is very nice. Will any service for me? ښه زما د پاره څه خدمت؟ Will any service for me? My stomach is growling. زما په هټه کې غرړړې هیجي. My stomach is growling. Don't lose your temper. خپل اوسان مه هتا کوه. Don't lose your temper. Shall I clean the room? آیا زه کمره صفا کم؟ Shall I clean the room? You should not break your promise. تا له خپل لوز ماتول نه دي پکار. You should not break your promise. She always wears black. هغه تل تورې جامې اغوندي. She always wears black. I know this language. زه دا ژبه پیژنم. I know this language. She has a gentle heart. هغه نرم زړه واله ده. She has a gentle heart. She makes me work. هغه ما نه کار اخلي. She makes me work. I don't like summer. زما د ګرمۍ موسم خوښ نه دی. I don't like summer. I hate taking risks. خطره اغستل می خوښ نه دی. I hate taking risks. What you say is right. ته چې څه وایې صحیح دي. What you say is right. Your hair is too long. ستا ویښته ډېر اوږده دي. Your hair is too long. He earns a good salary. هغه ښه ګټه وټکوي. He earns a good salary. I prefer coffee to tea. د چای نه مې زیات کافي خوښه ده. I prefer coffee to tea. What is the daily charge of your service? ستا د خدمت روزانه خرچه څومره ده؟ What is the daily charge of your service? What kind of service do you serve? ته څرنګه خدمت کوي؟ What kind of service do you serve? I'll make a phone call. زه به فون وکړم. I'll make a phone call. Won't you go? آیا ته به نه ځې؟ Won't you go? د دې نورو ویډیوګانو نه ځان خبرولو دپاره د چینل PE Everyone سبسکرایب کړئ او د بیل د آیکن آل نوټیفیکیشن کلیک کړئ. نورې چې کومې ویډیوګانې راځي نو تاسو به ترې په وخت خبریږئ. Thanks for watching.